Yes, my name is Brandon Carter. I live in New York. I live and practice in New York. My experience prior to the class, I've had minimal experience with implants. I haven't placed any implants until I came here, so I was really able to get, comfortable and, really expand my experience in that area. So I'm, very satisfied with the experience that I've had, here over the last week. This class was different, definitely different than I expected. I mean, I would say it definitely exceeded my expectations. I heard a lot of good things about the class prior to coming to the course. I researched a lot of other different courses throughout the country and outside of the country. And I felt like that I could really connect with the instructors here. And over the past week, I mean, I've just been able to get a ton of good experience. They were able to pass on a lot of great knowledge that I can carry back to my own personal practice. So, overall, I'm extremely satisfied. This week, I placed about 27 implants total. I would say overall, just looking, at the entire mouth, the top and bottom arch as a whole, and being able to treatment plan each case comprehensively, not just looking at one site here, one site there, being able to formulate a complete treatment plan and, really work within, the patient's, best interests and, exceed their expectations. Yes, I think I definitely gained the tools to, go back to my practice in New York and immediately start placing implants. I mean, there's, certain things that, I would definitely like to improve on, but overall, I definitely feel comfortable with, placing single implants and, treatment planning more so comprehensively. And, I just look forward to, building from there. The atmosphere at the Institute was very, very laid back. We definitely had a lot of fun. The instructors have a lot of energy, especially Dr. Chafin, Dr. Brown. All of the other instructors are, very cool, very approachable. Everybody's extremely approachable. So I feel like, once I leave here, I can easily send them a text or call and, they're more than willing to reach out and help me. So that was very important and a very big deciding factor in why I took this course. I felt like, I had a more personal connection with the instructors and just very glad I got to meet everybody. Everybody's great here. Yes, I would definitely recommend this course to any of my colleagues. I think they're still growing, so there's not a ton of people that know about it, which is crazy to me. But I feel like I can go back home and tell all my colleagues about the course and really get them pumped about placing implants. But for sure, I would definitely recommend this to anyone that's interested in placing implants or trying to gain their knowledge in treating the full arch more comprehensively.